Hey, I'm David. In this Revizto training session, we will be covering how to use the issue list, including the Switchback feature in a Revizto project. When first viewing the issue tracker in Revizto, by default, the issue list will always be revealed on the right side of the screen, even when the filter list, chat, and information sections have been hidden. Let's start at the top of the issue list and understand its layout, then proceed downwards. At the top left, Revizto will reveal the total amount of issues that currently reside in the specific filter that was chosen. Right now, you can see I have current issues selected as my filter list. And by selecting other filters, the total number of issues will adjust. Below that, there is a search bar that allows users to search the current issues inside the list by assignee, ID, trade, or issue status, allowing for easier navigation. Navigating below to view individual issues, at the top left, you can see the issue ID number. This displays the issue ID that Revizto assigns to the issue and can be used when searching for an individual issue. Below the issue ID is the priority icon. This displays the current state of the issue, whether it's a none, blocker, critical, major, minor, or trivial. An easy way to help distinguish issues that could stop a project and need to be dealt with, or if they're not as important and can be revisited at a later time. To the right of that is the status icon of an issue, allowing users to understand open issues that need to be reviewed, from issues that have been addressed or in progress to issues that have been resolved and then closed after final approval. Going further down is an area where notes, issue descriptions, or issue stamps can be viewed, giving the user more information of the issue or intention of the issue. Moving to the top right will be the assignee section of the issue, or the responsible person or team left to resolve the issue. The icon under Assignee will allow a user to quickly identify an issue if it's captured in a 2D view, being a flat square, or a 3D view, three-dimensional square. And at times, if Revizto imports Navisource clash groups, you will find a number located at the bottom right of the issue. Clicking that number will reveal the number of clashes in the Revizto model that are associated with that view. Finally, the Switchback feature. When utilizing the issue list to help resolve issues, users or trade subs can double-click on the issue needing their attention and quickly and immediately be linked to the same view and area within their Revit model, and quickly resolve the problem and push the updated Revit model back to the Revizto project.